Welcome to Listopia. If you have ever found yourself struggling with list management in Bubble, you are in the right place. Now, Bubble has always presented a challenge when it comes to managing lists. The existing plugins try to help, but they seem to be built more for developers, leaving no-code users in a bind. This is why we have created Listopia. So, what exactly is Listopia? It's our innovative solution to Bubble's list challenges. We have designed it with a focus on simplicity, speed, and cost efficiency, all to help you break free from the limitations of Bubble platform. Listopia consists of three powerful elements. Keeper, which handles all types of data. Numeri, specifically for numbers. And Chronos, designed for dates. Each one has been designed to efficiently store and manipulate lists. Let's dig a little deeper into how Listopia stores all this data. As I mentioned earlier, each component of Listopia, Keeper, Numeri, and Chronos, can hold an infinite number of lists. But how does it work exactly? Let's break it down. Firstly, we have predefined lists. These are lists we've already embedded in each element. The benefit here is that these lists are always available to you. There's no need to initiate a separate workflow or make a call to retrieve them. It's like having a toolbox ready with all the essential tools for you. Next, we have custom lists. This is where you get to customize. You can store as many lists as you want in each element. And each list can have a custom name. This is like creating personalized drawers in a filing cabinet, which you can pull out whenever needed. Finally, there is a more sophisticated feature we offer, nested lists. This is a powerful feature where you can use one list to store other lists. Think of it as a storage box that holds other smaller boxes, each with different items. While this may not be necessary for all users, it does come in handy for more complex applications. Do any of you envision a use for nested lists in your current projects? How could this level of organization improve your workflows? Now, storing data is just half the game. The other half is what you can actually do with that data. That's why each element in Listopia comes with its own set of tools for manipulating lists. Let's delve into some of these key features. The first one is action name. Think about it, when an action is fully executed, the element triggers an event. But how do you know which action was completed, so you can design a suitable workflow? That's where the action name comes in. You can assign a custom name to every action you create. Then, when a workflow is triggered, you can check the action's name, and adjust your operations accordingly. Imagine how streamlined your processes could be with this level of customization. Can anyone think of a scenario where this feature would come in handy? The second feature I want to highlight is data flow control. This is like the traffic controller of your data. With data flow control, you can dictate where the action's required data should come from and where the action's results should be published. This eliminates the need for you to write expressions and allows you to select the list you want to manipulate directly from within the element. Plus, you have the freedom to use a fresh list, independent of what's already in the element. This essentially gives you the steering wheel to your data manipulation journey. How could this level of control change the way you currently handle data in Bubble? Isn't that handy? No more headaches with complicated list operations. With Listopia, managing your lists is quicker, simpler, and more efficient. Are you ready to experience the Listopia difference?